In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute pages without unfriending. This is really useful if you want to clean a Facebook feed, but you don't want to unfriend someone or unlike a page and risk hurting anyone's feelings. Instead of cutting ties, you're simply telling Facebook you don't want to see their post for a while, or at all, in your main feed. First, open Facebook and go to the specific page or friend whose posts you want to stop seeing. You can do this by searching their name in the search bar or tapping on their profile or page anywhere you see it. Make sure you're actually on their main profile or page, not just looking at a single post. Once you're on their page, look for the 3 small dots. This is usually near the top of the screen, close to their name or cover photo. These 3 dots open up a menu with more options. Go ahead and tap on those dots. Think of this as the place where Facebook hides extra settings that aren't immediately visible on the main page. When that menu opens, you'll see several options. Here, you want to look for the option labeled Following. Tap on Following to open the follow settings for this person or page. This section controls how much of their content you see in your feed. Inside the following settings, you'll see different choices like seeing posts first, the default option, or unfollowing. To effectively mute them, tap on Unfollow. This does not unfriend them, and it does not remove your like from the page. It simply stops their posts from appearing in your newsfeed. You'll still be connected, and you can always visit their page manually anytime you want to catch up. After selecting Unfollow, look for the button that says Update. Tap on Update to save your changes. This step is important because it confirms to Facebook that you really want to apply this new setting. Once you hit Update, the change is active right away. From this point on, their new posts should no longer clutter your feed, but your social connection remains intact. If you